And I do want to say that the majority likes to tell us in the minority, oh, well, Obama did it. Well, let me just make it very clear to the majority that unlike the majority who can find nothing that President Trump does wrong, the minority found on numerous occasions things and challenged President Obama because of his policies, both on immigration and in other aspects of the law. So the minority sees ourselves as the legislative branch of government that is a check and a balance against the executive branch of government. And we have fundamentally do that. So I would hope the majority would stop talking about what Obama did, since not all of us on this side agree with everything Obama did. Lastly, I want to go to the question of Cuba, because they made a big deal about Cuba. It was the majority's position for years that any Cuban that set foot in the United States of America was automatically granted asylum in the United States of America. That was your position. And when the Marielitos came by the tens of thousands to this country, Fidel Castro just said to the jail cells, just let all of the criminals come, along with many other people. Y'all didn't do anything about it. You didn't change the policy. You didn't say, oh my God, look what Fidel's doing. He's sending all these criminals here, let's stop them. No, you put politics and ideology ahead, which is what you usually do. So please don't come and put on us that there are Cubans in the United States of America that Cuba won't take back, when it was your policy that said to anybody in Cuba, touch the land of the United States, and wait a minute, we're gonna give you food stamps, we're gonna give you a Section 8 certificate, we're gonna give you a nice cash bonus as soon as you get here. We're gonna treat you like royalty when you get to the United States of America, and guess what? Within a couple of years, you can become a citizen of the United States of America. And even though the majority saw those people who received refugee status in the United States of America, you saw them returning to Cuba, the very country that they fled, that said that they needed to flee, that their life was in danger, that we gave them refugee status. What did they do after we gave them asylum? They went back to Cuba and visited their relatives from the very country that they fled. So please, don't put it on us. I think you also have some soul searching to look.
Time of the gentleman has expired.